Hey guys, my name is Syyed Shabaz Salim and welcome back to my YouTube channel SAK Creations. So guys, we are back with latest bridal blouse designs and we are stitching right now on a pattu cloth. This is not a cotton silk. We are already making lots of blouse designs on cotton silk. So my lots of family members understand these are cotton silk, but these are not. Okay, this is a blouse piece of saris, and this is my online client from Karnataka, Kirti ma'am blouse designs. So right now we are stitching stone line, okay, in a front neck. We are already stitching on a back neck and also on the sleeves. Just we leaves a front neck for you guys because I'll show you everything from starting. So right now we are stitching stone chain line and use dotar needle with normal gold spectra thread. If you are a beginner, you don't need to do fast, you just do slowly and very clearly and stitching one by one stones, okay, not crossing 2 3 4. It's not good idea, it's very difficult. You just do slowly and also focused. Okay, if you are a beginner, you face lots of problem like how to put these are needles. You have lots of issue when you are start to learning this work, but you don't need to give up. Okay, you just stitching, you just learning every day, so you can learn this work easily. And right now guys, we are start to stitching some boxes, and these boxes we are making first time because boxes size was too much big, maximum 2.5 inches, and we are stitching middle side of boxes some oval type like egg shape. One stone, first we are sticking one stone in the middle of boxes, then we are stitching one stone chain, one sugar beads, and again we are making some ovals. I'll show you with the next step. Okay, so right now we are using 7 number needle with normal gold spectra thread and also use crystal micro beads. It's a very high quality sugar beads on the market, and I know your quality. My lots of family members tell me, Bhaiya, which was the best quality of sugar beads. So I'm always tell you guys, these crystal sugar beads was very good quality, also just price was a little bit high. Okay, so we are back on the back neck and stitching some waves type of lines of sugar beads. Okay, and of course we are stitching with 7 number needle. This needle not for a beginner guys, this needle is very smooth and very soft. If you have a if you are beginner, you have no idea how to put these needles on a hand and how to move this needle. So I'll suggestion for you guys, you are not using these needle, you just using iron needle. Iron needle was too much strong, and also both are quality just same, and also both needles hook are same. Okay, just different in these needles. This needle was very soft and iron needle was too much strong. Okay, so we are stitching all these lines with the sugar beads, 7 number needles. Okay, and then last we are stitching different work. I'll show you on the back, and right now I'll show you we are sticking some red color kundan of middle of the waves type boxes. Okay, and we leave some minutes. You don't need to sticking kundans and then you are start to stitching. It's not a good idea because your finishing was not good if you are doing this type of work. Okay, so we are back on the boxes on the sleeves. So we are stitching some stone chain lines on the boxes, and already we are sticking one kundan in the middle side, then we are stitching one sugar beads line, and right now we are stitching stone chain all around the oval. And look at this guys, we are not stitching all boxes are same. One have a round flowers with a gold color kundan on a middle side, then we are stitching all around sugar beads and 3 number moti and again sugar beads. And second one flower is a oval shape like egg shape, and middle side of self color kundan. It's not a kundan, it's a nug with stitching holes, and these nug have a two option, also one sticking and also one stitching. It's a very strong stitching. Then we are stitching one sugar beads line, then we are also stitching one sugar beads line and also stone chain line. Okay guys, so we are complete the all boxes same like this one. I'll show you other work. So right now we are stitching round flowers 3 number moti with 1 sugar beads. Look at this. These work with very iconic. You also with are doing these are work with the hand needles. If you face a little bit problem with the 7 number needle, you just use hand needles and put one by one moti and one sugar beads, because needle have a long hooks with the 2 inches hooks, so you can fill one time needle and stitching 4-5 motis in a one time. But if you are stitching with the hand needle, you are not stitching in a one time 5 to 6 motis. Okay, you are stitching one by one. If you face any type of problems with the stitching with these are needles, okay, and if you are a beginner, you just do practice and also watch these are video very constantly and not skipping any part of my videos, because I'll tell you everything about very serious and everything about very details. Okay, so we are back on the front neck and stitching sugar beads lines and also stitching gold spring middle side of red kundans, and kundans already we are stitching previous 10 minutes, then kundans are sticking very strongly, so we are stitching gold spring middle of the boxes. Okay, look at this, we are not stitching like a full gold spring all around the boxes, we are just stitching between kundans lines, just we are stitching one straight line of gold spring, so these boxes have a different look, these boxes give you different look. Okay, you also use this place of kundans like combination color, but on this blouse designs saris have no different color, so that's why we are stitching self color gold and also red color. Okay, so we are back on the back neck and stitching one moti with the one sugar beads line. Okay, and also stitching with the 7 number needles, guys. And if you face any problem of my in my English and also in my tutorials, so please do WhatsApp on the same number, I'll show you on the screen. You just WhatsApp on this number, and if you need any type of help according to Aariwork classes and Aariwork tips and tricks. Okay guys, my team always ready for you, and we are also selling one most beautiful and most used kit, Aari Jumbo Kit version 6. It's have a 50 items with lots of quality and also best needles in my kit. So if you want to buy this kit, please do WhatsApp on the same number. WhatsApp number is 7565906171. With this kit you learn easily, you don't need to buy another kit and another material from other shops. You just buy one needle and learn from your home. Okay, so right now we are start to stitching some booties on a back neck, and I'm really sorry for my background voice because we have some pretty dog outside of my shop, so I'm really sorry for that, guys. And we are start to stitching some booties on a back neck, booties stitching with one sugar beads and one moti. Okay, and in one booties we are stitching 3 sugar beads and 3 motis. Look at this, it's a little bit triangle shape, but it's looking very beautiful, and that type of little work make blouse designs was different and very beautiful. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like my tutorials and also my explanation. If you face any type of problem, please do WhatsApp on the same number. Okay, it's my humble request. And also I'll tell you one more thing, guys, I'll do any mistake of my explanation. In my explanation, please forgive me like your little brother. And this type of work we are also doing for my family members who learn this work from home. Okay, so right now I'll show you the final look of blouse designs. Look at this, this was a completed look, and look at this, this only stitch only work, so we are not stitching, these are blouse designs. Okay, look at this quality, it's a very beautiful and also very shiny blouse design. And when my family members wear this blouse on a party, everyone see this blouse design because it's a very beautiful and also very shiny blouse designs. Okay, and if you want these blouse designs in your blouse pieces, you just WhatsApp on the same number. If you have saris have some combination colors, so we are making same as it is according to your choice. Okay, so please do WhatsApp on the same number, and we are making your body measurement. We are not taking like huge order 10 by 10 and 20 pieces. We are just taking one by one order, and we are making according to your body measurement. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this. See you soon with another video. Bye guys, take care.